As the Supreme Court of India refused to give marriage equality rights, saying it is an issue for the Parliament, a move that allows the country's current limits on marriage to stand for the foreseeable future. It was only in 2018 that the Supreme Court scrapped a colonial-era law banning homosexuality in India. However, society has remained largely conservative and there was resistance to opening up marriage to same-sex couples. The challenge to the status quo followed the 2018 Supreme Court decision. Let us look at the countries where same-sex marriage is legal. While the Netherlands was the first ever nation to legalize same-sex marriage in the year 2001, Taiwan has landed the feat to become the first Asian nation to do so. After the Netherlands, more than 30 countries around the world have followed suit. On June 20, 2023, Estonia moved to become the first ex-Soviet bloc country to legalize the practice, with its new law taking effect next year. There are currently 34 countries where same-sex marriage is legal: Andorra, Argentina, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Brazil, Canada, Chile, Colombia, Costa Rica, Cuba, Denmark, Ecuador, Finland, France, Germany, Iceland, Ireland, Luxembourg, Malta, Mexico, the Netherlands, New Zealand, Norway, Portugal, Slovenia, South Africa, Spain, Sweden, Switzerland, Taiwan, the United Kingdom, the USA, and Uruguay. 23 countries have legalized same-sex marriage nationally through legislation. Among these, Australia, Ireland, and Switzerland legalized same-sex marriage through legislation only after nationwide votes. 10 countries have legalized same-sex marriage nationally through court decisions: Austria, Brazil, Colombia, Costa Rica, Ecuador, Mexico, Slovenia, South Africa, Taiwan, and the USA. Meanwhile, 2 countries, South Africa and Taiwan, enacted legislation legalizing same-sex marriage after courts mandated them to do so. There are some big countries where same-sex marriage is not acceptable. Their numbers is around 64. Here, same-sex relationship is considered a crime and death penalty is also included as punishment. Gay marriage is illegal in Malaysia. Last year, Singapore ended the restrictions. However, marriages are not approved there. According to a report, even 7 big economic countries, including Japan, do not give legal permission to same-sex marriages. Pakistan, Afghanistan, UAE, Qatar, Mauritania, Iran, Somalia, and some parts of northern Nigeria are very strict regarding same-sex marriages. There is a provision for even death penalty in Sharia courts. In the African country Uganda, there is a provision for life imprisonment and even death sentence if found guilty of homosexuality. Homosexual relations are also banned in 30 other African countries. Recent surveys show that acceptance among people regarding same-sex marriage has also started increasing. In Sweden, 94% people were seen in support of same-sex marriages. A survey by Pew Research shows that 53% of people in 24 countries around the world believe that same-sex marriage should be accepted. A survey by an organization named Ipsos says that 70% of the people all over the world believe that marriage should be allowed. 53% of adult population of the 24 countries included in the survey supported the legalization of same-sex marriages.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.